We have breaking news coming in on the broadcast. NCP leader Chhagan Bhujbal has withdrawn from the polls. Bhujbal has withdrawn amid a dispute over the Nashik seat. Chhagan Bhujbal said that he will support the Mahayuti candidate. Remember, both the Shinde Sena as well as Ajit Pawar's NCP had staked claim in Nashik, and Chhagan Bhujbal now saying that he is going to withdraw as there is a contest on the Nashik seat. Chhagan Bhujbal, in fact, saying that the person who the constituency belongs to will rightfully be the one to contest from the seat, and saying that he withdrew from the polls. Remember, as the polls are going on, there is still some contention in Maharashtra when it comes to seat sharing. Remember, the Shinde Sena as well as Ajit Pawar's NCP had staked claim in Nashik over the Nashik seat. The dispute had continued for a while on who will be the one to stand in Nashik. Now, Chhagan Bhujbal, of course, being the one that the NCP had chosen. He also said that he was given the word from the top command that he will be the candidate from Nashik. But of course, there was still contention over the Nashik seat when it comes to who will be the one who will contest from the seat. But of course, he did say that the candidate who will be standing from the side of the Shinde Sena will be the one who he will support. I have my colleague Radhika joining us with more details. Radhika, now a big development when it comes to seat sharing. Dispute still continuing, but at this point, Chhagan Bhujbal saying that he is going to withdraw and instead support the Mahayuti candidate.
Certainly, Nashik had been a disputed seat over the longest time as far as Mahayuti is concerned. There are at least about 5 to 6 disputed seats in which Nashik had been one of the most disputed seats. In fact, Chhagan Bhujbal was eyeing that seat, and Hemant Godse is the existing MP, is the incumbent MP from that seat from Eknath Shinde Sena, who'd been wanting another chance this time again. So Hemant Godse was the two-time MP, existing MP. He wanted to fight the elections. However, Chhagan Bhujbal is also a name, which NCP had given forward. And also Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah had also supported Chhagan Bhujbal's candidature. However, Hemant Godse had been fighting hard to retain the candidature from here once again. So looks like with Chhagan Bhujbal making this very important announcement today that he's going to withdraw from the fray, there is a possibility that Hemant Godse could be the one who will once again be contesting from Nashik. In fact, initially within Mahayuti, all the three parties, including BJP, was eyeing this particular seat. BJP, NCP as well as Shinde Sena. BJP, of course, withdrew and later started supporting Chhagan Bhujbal's candidature from there. This had also been an NCP bastion for quite some time. In fact, Eknath Shinde Sena candidate, or rather the existing MP, Godse had sort of defeated Chhagan Bhujbal in 2014 and later defeated Samir Bhujbal in 2019.
Right.
Looks like with Chhagan Bhujbal withdrawing from the fray and also saying that he will support anybody who is contesting from Mahayuti, looks like it may go to Hemant Godse of Eknath Shinde.